Hello family, welcome once again to OBAAPA'S channel. In this video we are going to learn how to make a very delicious and simple and soft dinner roll. With this you can make it wherever you are. It is really simple recipe for everybody to enjoy, so please don't go nowhere. Come with me to the kitchen and let's start cooking. So first you are going to add in half cup of water, half cup of milk. You can use any milk of your choice, and I'm adding in 1 tablespoon of yeast and a pinch of salt. Next I'm going to add in 1/3 cup of sugar and 1 egg, and go ahead and mix the wet ingredients together. And after it's mixed, I'm going to add in 4 cups of all-purpose flour and 8 tablespoons of butter or margarine. Please mix it really well. So after you mix your dough and it's well combined, we are going to knead it as well. So please make sure that you knead your dough and it mixes really well. Now our surface is ready. I'm going to spray a little bit of flour in there, and this is the time to knead the dough. And please make sure that you knead your dough for 7 minutes. So for a very nice and fluffy bread, make sure that you knead your dough very well, and don't let your dough get too hard, because that way you're gonna get a very hard bread. So make sure that your dough is very nice and soft. So after 7 minutes, I'm going to grease my bowl with oil, or if you have butter, you can use butter, or even a spray, whatever you have, like the olive oil spray. You can use that as well. And place your dough in the bowl, and I'm going to use wrap to cover my dough. So I'm using this plastic wrap. If you don't have it, you can use a clean towel, and just leave it on to double in size. So now our dough is resting. I'm going to grease my baking pan with butter. So I have a melted butter on the side, and that is what I am using right now. So now, as you can tell, our dough has been doubled in size. I let it sit for about an hour, and now it is good. So go ahead and eliminate the air bubble inside your dough. So after that, grease the surface again, and now we are going to divide our dough into 10 different parts, because you're making a dinner roll and we want everyone to get a piece. So make sure that you cut it into 10 different parts. And I just want to take this opportunity and thank you all my new subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. It means so much to me, and I'm really glad that you love what I'm doing, and keep sharing the love, and I really appreciate you, and thank you so much. In my language we will say Nyame Inshra. It means thank you and God bless you. So after that, we are going to cover the dough again with plastic wrap, and we're going to leave it on for about 30 minutes because it has to double in size. So we're going to leave this on for 30 minutes. Yeah, this bread is going to be really soft and you are really going to enjoy it. So after 30 minutes, I am going to break 1 egg, and I'm going to apply that on top of my bread. Just to get a really rich, soft and golden dinner roll, just go ahead and apply egg. And my egg looked very yellowish because of the yolk. So if you don't like the yellowish color, you can just go ahead and remove the yolk and then keep the egg white. So I just turned my oven to 335 degrees, and that's what I'm going to use to bake my bread for 45 minutes. So after 45 minutes, my bread is ready. It looked really nice and fresh from the oven. So I'm just going to apply some melted butter on top of my bread just to get my golden color, and that way it helps the bread stay soft and moist. So go ahead and apply that, and that is what I'm doing right now. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you really enjoy baking with me today. Try this recipe at home, and I believe you are going to enjoy it. And with this recipe also, you can enjoy with soft or hot drink, and also you can enjoy it with your dinner table, when you have visitors around. This is the perfect dinner roll for you to enjoy. Since it is freshly made, go ahead and share with your friends in this quarantine season. So this is how I make my soft, moist and simple dinner roll, and I hope you really enjoy baking with me today. So until I see you once again in my channel, thank you so much for watching. I'm going to leave all the ingredients in the description box down below, so please feel free and check them out. Thank you so much once again. Stay safe and have a blessed day. Enjoy.